Hello everybody, how are you today? This class number 10, Microsoft Word documents, and this course is completely fillful, okay, and the last of this class. And today I'm gonna show you a print option actually. Okay, that's good. You have complete your documents in Microsoft Word file, and the next term you have to print. Okay, you should print. So how can you print in this option? I'm gonna show you. So I don't talk anymore. Okay, let's go. So everybody, you can see I take from any website this text. Now I'm gonna print this text. Okay, so just I understand to you purpose I print this. Okay, so you can find this option for a print, or you can type from your keyboard Ctrl P. Okay, so this is the print window, and you can preview your page. Actually, what kind of document you create, you can see this preview option here. Okay, let's move on. I'm talking about these tools. Okay, well, the first option is number of copy. How much do you need? You can include a here. Okay, and the next is printer. Okay, which kind of printer you have, and how many printer you have set of your PC, you see here. Okay, so I have running printer is Epson. Okay, and the next is print all page. Do you want to print all page? Then it's okay. Okay, and this is print on site, and is the collected and uncollected, and the portal are oriented. Okay, and you can see that option I showing you before tutorial, and this is the page size and margin and page setup. Okay, it's page 2 per sheet, or 4 page sheet, or 6 page per sheet. Okay, and now I'm gonna advanced settings in the printer properties settings. This is a very important settings. Okay, so first option is, you can see this is the print quality. Okay, the first standard quality, high quality, and to setup quality, and grayscale quality, and grayscale quality. Okay, so it's default always standard quality. Okay, and you can see this is the page size. It's always be A4, and you can see this is the portal size, and if you click this option, this is the portal size. You preview this option here. Okay, this is portal, and this is the landscape. Okay, and the next option is standard. It's like this. Okay, and the next option is paper type. Paper type is always should be plain paper. Okay, and these are standard. Okay, it's always should be standard. And this is the color. If you want to color, then it's select option, and otherwise it's the black or gray. Okay, and this is the side. If you want to both side, then you select this option, or if you don't both side, and it's the off. And it's already I showing you it's a copy. Now I'm take on copy. Okay, and the more option here, it's the before option and this option are same, and this is the maintain. This is printer maintenance option. You can see any time or any moment your printer is not going well, it's not print good, or is not properly printing. Okay, then what will you do? You can do some advanced option from here. Okay, so first you have to check your head nozzle. This option is check head nozzle, and if you your printer is not good, your printer is broken line, then you can select this option, or you can start this option. After, you should print ahead cleaning. and power cleaning and print head alignment. So if you three option is clear after your printer is going smoothly. So now I'm going to print this page. Okay, just press on. Okay, just ready. Okay, I think you can hear. So okay, everybody, this video is going longer, so I can't talking about this option, so you can understand. I think if you have any doubt, you can comment me section below, and I'm going to share with you and understand to you every question, what kind of question you have. Okay, so today video is enough. Have a good day.